Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Minecraft unable to locate Java runtime problem. Before moving on to the video, don't forget to leave a like guys. Our first solution is to update Java guys. The reason we do this is because Minecraft need up to date Java to run. We may be experiencing problems due to outdated Java guys. To update Java, go to search menu. Type control panel, click on open it guys, select programs in here, select Java, select update tab and select update now. It will give such a notification because my Java is up to date. If your isn't updated guys, after updating it Java, you can check if the problem is resolved or not. If the problem is not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. For that, close out of here. Second solution is to repair Minecraft guys. When our application do not work properly, we can get rid of the problem we are experiencing with the repair process guys. To do this, go to search menu and type installed app, click on open it guys. Now search for Minecraft launcher, click on this three dot icon, select advanced option, scroll down, select the repair option guys. This will not affect the game files guys. After the repair process is finished, you can check if the problem is solved or not. If you still having a problem, let's move on to the third solution guys. Close out of here. Third solution is to delete the Java Minecraft arguments. Java Minecraft arguments are arguments that makes Java run Minecraft better, but sometimes these arguments can't prevent Minecraft from opening correctly guys. We will try to solve the problem by deleting these arguments. To do this, open Minecraft launcher, click on the installations, click on the three dot icon over here, select edit, just need to scroll down, select more options, scroll down. Now we will delete these arguments guys, but before we do this we need to save these arguments in notepad guys. For that, double click on it and copy it guys and go to search menu and type notepad, click on open it guys, just paste it and minimize it guys. Now delete the arguments guys. Now select save guys. Now you can check the problem is solved or not. If the problem is not solved, write the arguments back to this bar guys. I hope one of these solution fixed your problem. If this video helps you, don't forget to like the video guys. You can also subscribe and support me. Thank you.